Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Deathclock on the forums, your new moderator for Startup Tim. Startup Tim. There you go. And I have a special video for you guys. Well, I'm also Halo Fanatic on YouTube. Anyway, I just bought this. It's a 16 gig RAM kit, 1600 megahertz for my new MSI gaming laptop. It's the GP60 Leopard Pro. Yeah, still getting used to the name. It's got a huge long list of characters after it. Anyway, I do a lot of things, whatever, but I don't want to hear it, but whatever. I'm gonna babble. I do vinyl graphics, and yeah, this is our little reflective chrome vinyl graphic, and we just got that in. And I decided to kind of pimp out my new laptop, and it looks awesome. So yeah. Anyway, let's get started. So what we're going to do is, I already have it powered off, so make sure you have it shut down, powered off completely. And I will put it down here because you guys don't need to see my face anymore. But, alright. For mine, I have these two little clips, and one of them is always like that, but the other one, I have to do that and then lift up. So, simple as that. First step, there's the battery. That is out. Now, let's go ahead and take our little trusty Phillips bit here, and I've only done this once before just because I want to take a peek at my laptop, but so actually that is not the right one. It's very, very close together. Anyway, gonna want to take off this back panel here, and underneath this is your hard drive, everything. And I also replaced the standard hard drive from this with a brand new solid state hard drive. 500 gigs, and it was on sale for just $160 on Newegg Shell Shocker. So yeah, super fast, and yeah, that was Skype. I wonder if that was him. That might be Tim, almost ready to join us. No, it was not. Okay, still no anything from Tim. I was really hoping Tim was going to join us for this, but he is a very busy man, always coming up with updates for his awesome software. Looks like I just got one more after this. See, I'm very fortunate with this laptop. It's only got, I believe, 4 screws. 1, 2, 3. Yep, just 4. Just 4. Now I need to get a magnetic one here. I might actually need to tip my laptop because I can't seem to get that out. Sometimes they are a pain to get out. So there's that. There we go. So there's that one. Just got one left. And also for my laptop, I had to void the warranty sticker, but before I did that, I called MSI and just made sure. I was like, is it alright if I void this warranty? I'm going to upgrade the hardware. And they said, yes, sure. It will not void the warranty if you contact them, okay? MSI is awesome about that. Alright, back to this. We are ready to pop this off, and mine is kind of a witch, I've noticed. Sometimes, hopefully it'll go easy for me, like that. That was perfect. And there's my sexy underneath, right there. This beast here has an i5 something 2.9 gigahertz with a boost of 3.6. I overclocked it to 3 gigahertz with a boost of 4, and it's running great. Anyway, I will move this over here, and it's got GTX 950M right when it focuses right there. So, right there, yeah. I can't bring my thing over anymore, but there's my solid state. If it wants to focus, there we go. So solid state, the old 1 thing of RAM. So that's 8 gigs right there. There's the CPU, whatever. You guys aren't here to see any of that. You're here just to see the RAM. So I can't bring my webcam over anymore. That's as far as it extends, but it's got 2 little things. You just pop them off, and then boop, it goes up like that. Now you're supposed to use 2 hands on either end, but I'm hoping I can pull this out with just 1 hand. And sure enough, I can. So never touch it, anywhere else but the sides where there's no electronics, because you'd risk damaging things. Anyway, now I'm gonna need both hands for this. see if I can scoot this a little closer. There we go. I've got it sitting on my coin jar right now. So we'll be working in this area. I'll come over here and get the first RAM or DIMM slot here. If I can pop this out without breaking it. And this is honestly my first time installing brand new RAM in a laptop. So this is very exciting for myself. And yeah, for a second it looked like the video camera was moving. I don't know, maybe it did when I wasn't looking, but anyway, you're gonna stick it in just like that. If you can see that, how it just kind of sits in there, and you're just gonna push down. It will snap eventually. Almost. Come on, snap. Snap, crackle, pop. So looks like it is snapped in there. Yeah, just making sure. So first one is snapped in there. Kind of got launched there, but there you go. There's the second piece, and we'll put that right like that. Notice how it's up a little bit still, like it should be, and you're just gonna push down. Nice little snap. So hopefully, I don't even know if this RAM works with this motherboard, but a lot of people said it did, and I'm going to take the internet's word for it. But yeah, oh, don't tell me. I think Tim just finally responded. Oh boy. Let's see. Oh, he's asking me if I'm streaming this. Clean the house, assemble this. I can watch you while you work. Oh, I'm sorry, Tim. I don't have fast internet here, and no other ISP wants to come into this area because there's not enough customers. My town only has about 3,000 people in it, and they're happy milking us for shitty internet. It's Fort Randall Telecommunications. You can go look them up. I'm from Wagner, South Dakota, and I openly state this on my YouTube, so everyone knows where I live. I'm perfectly fine with it. And anyway, 5 megabits down and 1 up, but you never get that full speed. The highest I've ever gotten is 368 kilobytes download and 84 kilobytes upload. I am unable to stream. So I'm just telling him that I am unable to stream, sadly. So there's that. I don't think he's added me on... No, he has not added me on Skype yet. Has he checked his email? Yes, let's see. I try and steer clear from Skype when I can, especially on busy days. Oh, sorry, buddy. Yeah, he's still asking the same questions on the email. Yeah, sorry, Tim. No, I can't stream. If I could, I would. I can stream, but I can stream only at 640 by 480 at 10 frames a second. I can only do that without completely crashing my router. So, yeah. Anyway, this is all ready to go. So, we're gonna pop this baby back into place, like so. Poke it down a little bit. Everything's nice and secure. Now we're going to put all the screws back where to go. And just because I am free to say this, I am 21. I had 3 years at one university. They were giving me the runaround. In the 3 years, I only took 3 or 4 classes of programming. I was very, very ticked off about that. So this year, I dropped out, and I already applied and was accepted to a technical college. And already my first year, I will be taking an entire semester of all programming classes. So I am ecstatic about it. And yeah, the other thing I was going to say is I am also now single. So I am looking for people if there's any geeky girls out there, you know. Yeah. Looks like we're about ready to get this thing on the move. Now, let's see. Now, mine is very, very weird. It switches. Sometimes it wants to be put back down like this, my battery. Sometimes it wants this end put in first. Sometimes it wants this end put in first, and I drop it. But this time it feels like it's wanting to go like this. So, yeah, there we go. And push this over to lock it, just so you can see the little switch right there to lock it. Anyway, I think we are ready to go. Hopefully it doesn't blue screen. But alright. I'm not sure how well this is gonna appear here, but let's find out. And I don't have my overclock going right now, so it's gonna say 2.9 gigahertz. There. Well, let's see what happens, shall we? MSI. Alright, and obviously I'm going to cover it up so you can't see my thing, but ready, boop. So there it goes. And blammo, it's nice. So let's go to this. Actually, no. Also, yes, this is Windows 10, if you can't tell. And yeah. So properties does not work unless, yeah. What's that? Someone sent me a photo on Skype. Okay. Anyway, PC info. It's fucking search PC info. I don't want to download that. I'm still getting used to there we go. Okay, that's interesting. It's only saying 7.9 gigs, so it's not picking up the other DIMM. Well, let's try DX. Let's see what's up. I actually need to go get, yeah, it's still saying only 8,100. Huh. Wonder why it's not showing up. Very, very strange. So, it is not picking up the other 8. That is weird. Maybe, just maybe, I didn't press it down all the way. That would suck. Someone share the photo. I do have CPU-Z on here. I wasn't sure if I did or not. I guess might as well open up Device Manager, huh? Okay, memory. So it's saying, yeah, 8 gigabytes. For some reason, it's not seeing it. So, let's see what that photo is. Yeah. Memory. Does it say memory here? I don't even know. I've never searched for memory here. I guess it doesn't say that. Oh, wait, memory technology devices. No, that's not it. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to take it apart again. Find out why it's not working. So, I guess we're gonna shut down. And this is what it's all about. This is all about just testing. Why is it so out of focus? Oh, it's so bad. Focus on the hand. So weird. Alright, well, it is shut down, so let's try this again, shall we? Boom, 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 boom. So this time, I'm just gonna go right for it. I'm not gonna really sit here and talk. I'll just be quiet and get this done. Because now I'm at the point where I just want to get this figured out. And I want to get my RAM to fucking work. Alright. No, didn't need to flip it that time. That's always nice. Okay. Pop this baby off. Alright. So. What if, now this is a possibility. It's very weird. It didn't seem like it had it in there all the way because it didn't pop. Okay, what the heck? Okay. What? This is supposed to be 1600. Can you read that? Look at what it says right there on the bottom. 1866. What the hell? This is supposed to be 1600. What the frick? This isn't right. This is not right. That's probably why it's not working. I don't care about the speed. I'd be happy with 1333, but okay, what if I do this? Okay, so that's popped. Good. But what about this? So it's in there. That's good. That is secure. I mean, if they gave me 1866 megahertz RAM, I'm not going to be upset, really, except for the fact that I'll have to go back and check and make sure my fucking motherboard can even handle it. So that is secure. If I pop these out, good. Okay, that's gonna pop out. Okay. So boom, it's secure. It should run, right? Well, let's find out. This time I'm not gonna put the screws on. I'm just gonna pop this down. Call it good. Put battery back in, and we're just gonna load it back up, and we're gonna see if this works now. Very, very upset right now. Man, I'm famous right now. Okay. Huh, this is very, very strange. Alright. So, there. And again. Alright. Let's try DX again. Or CPU to Z, whatever. There it is! Woo! 1600 megahertz, or gigabytes, I mean, or oh god, I'm excited, I can't even speak words right now. Sweet. Alright, so it is a success. Yeah. 16,384 megabytes of RAM, and it is freaking 1866 megahertz. That is sick. That's awesome. So now we can have some fun. So I have Dim Drive on here. I have, I believe, Age Mythology, and let's give it a try, shall we? So, going to Steam, gonna go into Dim Drive, like that. Not sure if you can see that, but yeah. Beautiful, beautiful Dim Drive. Go into my settings, change that measly 3 gigabytes to, oh, I don't know, 12. That should be okay, right? No. Actually, just to be safe, let's go 10. That should be fine. And how big is, okay, Age Mythology is only 2.4 gigs. So let's go give that a try. So on. Okay. Games currently enabled, good. More RAM, so it's the entire game, good. Just checking up on everything, making sure everything's okay. So boom. Let's start this. Creating the drive. This is good. This is good stuff. Now, I haven't ran this on Windows 10 yet, so what's this? Ooh, this is probably Microsoft Windows. What is it? You need to format Z drive. Nah, you don't need to format nothing, Windows. You got this. You got this completely. 18%. I wonder, I think it looks like it might have throttled it down. Let's go see what CPU Z says, shall we? Memory. Ooh, ouch. Yeah, throttle that down to 932 megahertz. Ow. That's rough. Okay. That's very rough. That is sad. Okay. Unless, yeah, so it's saying that. I will be looking into that with this RAM, but obviously going from a solid state drive to 1866 megahertz RAM should be lightning quick. Oh wait, it's speeding up. Why is it speeding up now? That's very strange. Okay, now it's going fucking fast. Okay. That was very strange. That was very, very strange indeed. So weird. It's getting there. Dim Drive is normally not this slow, I'm sure. It's just because of Windows 10, and this is the first time that I've ran it on Windows 10. So. And I haven't done anything. I didn't even do what Tim said to do. He said to uninstall Dim Drive, remove the drivers, I think, and then reinstall it and give it full permissions or something like that. So. And there's the glorious sound that he added. So, alright, let's give her a run and see if this works. Play. Done. Nope, done. Let's try loading a campaign. Just find plan. Let's go with that. Wow. Wow. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. This is... Well, I guess there you go. That is the install. The almost heart attack of only having 8 of my 16 gigs. And I guess off camera I will be figuring out why it was only at 900 and whatever megahertz. You'd think while it's, in full use, it's going to be at that full 1866, wherever that came from. But yeah, so wish me luck, and I'm very excited to be a part of the Startup Tim group as a moderator now. This is a very, very nice privilege. I am a software developer, so once I get some time, maybe I can write some software to help out Tim. Get some more pleasing aesthetics, not that it doesn't look good, Tim, but of course everything can always look better. But alrighty, I will see everyone later. This is Deathclock on the Steam forums and Halo Fanatic on YouTube. That's HaloFannatic. Yes, I know that's not how you spell fanatic, but made that when I was like super young. And Halo Fanatic normally was taken. So, yeah. But I will see you guys later, and have a good day. So, I just gotta find the button. Oh wait, my mouse is over here. I was like, where's my mouse?